how to select all photos in Google Photos app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, want to select all photos in your Google Photos without tapping each one, then I'll show you how to do it. So, let's dive right in. You'll need to open up a Google Photos. It does not have a single select all option. What you can do is you can select all photos of each month by tapping on the tick icon in the right hand side of each month. Let's say I'll tap on tick of January, then all photos of January will be selected. I can scroll down and then select all photos of December. Like this, I can select all photos of each month. So this will not take up much time. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.